Oyakodon is a beloved Japanese comfort food. A warm rice bowl topped with tender chicken, simmered onions, and softly cooked eggs in savory sweet broth. The eggs are perfectly soft and slightly runny, creating a creamy texture that's simply irresistible. Half-cooked eggs are preferred in Japan. However, even if you cook fully, still the dish is delicious. Let's get started with the cooking. First, slice the onion thinly. Next, cut the chicken into bite-sized pieces. Crack eggs into a bowl and gently beat them without overmixing. That keeps the eggs silky and soft. Next, in a small pan, combine water, soy sauce, mirin, sugar, and dashi powder. Bring this mixture to a gentle simmer over medium heat. Add the thinly sliced onions and cook for about 3 to 4 minutes until they become translucent and tender. Then add the bite-sized chicken pieces. Cook for around 5 to 6 minutes until the chicken is fully cooked and no longer pink inside. My grandmother used a special pan just for oyakodon, the small round one, which allows making one serving at a time. But like we're using today, regular frying pan is perfectly fine. Now pour the beaten eggs evenly over the chicken and onions. This dish combines sweet, savory, and silky textures all in one bowl, bringing the authentic taste of Japan right to your kitchen. Cover the pan and let it cook for 1 to 2 minutes, just until the eggs are softly set but still slightly runny. Traditionally, fresh mitsuba, Japanese parsley, is added on top as a garnish. Mitsuba adds a subtle, fresh, slightly citrusy aroma that beautifully balances the rich flavor of the dish. いただきます。美しい。やっぱり親子丼はいいね。色合いも綺麗だしね。いただきます。美味しい。でも優しい味だな。このトロトロがいいんですよ。つゆだくがいいね。もっとご飯少なくて汁だくでも美味しいかも。玉ねぎ煮込んでるのがやっぱり、ね、味がねしっかりついてていいですね。鶏が柔らかい。ほんと一瞬で食べちゃった。ごちそうさまでした。